Good day, everybody. Welcome back to Funky Days News Time. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I don't tell you before the nature of our news. Our news, sometimes we'll give the news and at the same time we'll still analyze the whole thing, So today, make we go into the whole matter, the whole thing when concern the indigenous people of Biafra and the Oduduwas, the Nigerian government and everything. So, but we go start with the way when they see some people, they do their protests, the way where they carry their protest, they go. You understand? Some self, before they go even talk about protests, like the labor leaders, make I just give an example, like the labor leaders, they say they want to do some kind of protest. Before you know, government don't deceive them, say, make them come to the table, make them yarn. But make you not forget, say, the issue when concern this minimum wage matter, when we say now they bring problem between the labor leaders and the government, at the end of the day, the APC government, they no go fit still do anything. As soon as the labor leaders here say, they don't call them, say they want, make them come to the round table to talk, then go just abandon the protest. And the thing at the end of the day, because it happened recently, like yesterday, and the day before yesterday, at the end of the day, the minimum wage matter, una no go still see. At the end of the day, the government go come and tell us, say, if we pay on a minimum wage, Nigeria go crumble, our economy no go grow. Then go just they give some kind of excuses to owner, because we know say na only owner when they there, when be the labor people, na only no go fit take all this kind of excuse from this Buhari's regime. Minimum wage na something when they take do this year 2019 propaganda. Say if they win, they go pay 30,000. But somebody come when supposed save Nigerian people, tell them say he go give them 100,000 or as living wage. At the end of the day, they say Nigerian people when we see all of them they use head they work out, then say somebody won't give them 30,000, they won't follow. So my question to now today be say how far the 30,000 minimum wage? You don't receive her? No. And you no go ever receive her. Unless no be Jubri, they that place when in there. So now we will go into the main news. First of all, I commend the people of, the indigenous people of Biafra, that is the Southeasterners. You understand? The reason why they commend them plenty. It plenty, ladies and gentlemen. It plenty. And this video, they make them out of my heart. Now my heart, I take make them. And anything when you hear today, now from the bottomless pit of my heart, I speak from. I'm not come here come joke. I'm not come see your face. Anything when you like, make you think. Now your business be that. So if I know say, what I tell on her today, now so it be. Now, we they see serious, what do they call serious protest from the indigenous people of Biafra. The one we then do in Owerri, Imo State. Not only Owerri, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, even in America, we they see their protest. Anywhere where they do, whether na London, whether na South Africa, we they see the way when the indigenous people of Biafra, in fact, the energy where they do that protest, ladies and gentlemen. Now something went from Kidi say and commend them well. Even in the face of intimidation, IPOB can never be broken. I mean, the actualization of Biafra, even in the face of all those then Janjaweed, Nigerian army and Boko Haram and Hezbollah, including the one we see now be the master of the caliphate. Nwambi, the Jubri and Abakari Mamadaura. Una no go fit break down the Biafran agitation. Una no go fit break down the Biafran protest again. Because Funky D say level don't pass level. Una when they into government, una not believe and say IPOB or Biafra in general, say today, then go see the waka. Even upon say, una don't prescribe them. They are still marching. Then they march. See men, strong men. Then they march. Shirtless. And then, you will get some group of people when come from Yoruba land, when be the Oduduwa people, where they say, na them be the OPC, na them be the Oduduwa, na them be the Otoge, na them be the... Then give all themselves all kinds of names, ladies and gentlemen. But fear, when grip these Yoruba people as a nation, Yoruba nation or Oduduwa nation or however you want to call them. In fact, if you never hear this thing before, you go hear them from my mouth. The Northerners, when be the Fulanis, they don't conquer Yoruba people long time, put them under their slippers. But you not fit conquer the Southeasterners. You not fit conquer Biafrans. Make them Yoruba they there, they do their efulefu. It not consign nobody. Now, una problem when be the Yoruba people. Now, una problem be that. And una go get that problem, belefu. Because una don't let una self, una don't bring una self so low to this caliphate people. Now, take a look at what they happen. You see that video when they go around everywhere. When the IPOB people make the last, do the last protest when they do. If to say, na so the Yoruba people, make I start with the Yoruba people before I will generalize them with Nigerian people. If to say na so Yoruba people, they march like that like 2 times. Ladies and gentlemen, government go don't leave show for a long time. But because of the Yoruba people, selfishness, laziness, enviness, the grudge when they inside their heart, everything, even to Tinubu, all these people, ladies and gentlemen, now he make you see they don't leave show water. I say if to say the way when they march in Imo State recently, Owerri, if to say na so they march for Showore, I bet you, I say Nigerian government for don't leave Showore. Not be that kind of protest when be say on a day 3 or 4 in number when then on a day Lagos there be. I don't know where on a day. Funky D say that one not be any protest. Una just they play. Because the danger lie ahead of una when just they play with una life when they that Lagos then when be the Yoruba people. In fact, Nigerian people in general. But minus the Southeastern people. Because those people, that is the indigenous people of Biafra, they know where they stand. They know what that they do. They don't want to engage themselves with these Nigerian Fulefu people again. You understand? As if to say na so no match, show whatever don't come out. Una matching like that 2 times. So now that one that they call protest. For you go come out for social media, you go talk here and there. Before una hear say una they hear siren from police siren, everybody don't run, everybody don't hide. Now like that they want take it back. Now so na one I be na so what they doing on. If you already carry on they march, the whole world is here. Even if say not get too much population, even if say not get too much people, but with they see and say, man, this guy, they do something. But since Showore, since they don't lock up Showore, we know they see nobody in the street when they march. Then go just go, before you know, then go hide inside one hotel, then go talk, say, I want to do protest, they go name some kind of things when not they make sense. Because now, know they make sense again. How you they talk say you want do protest? You they carry protest go you they give them the deadline of 14 days. When protest supposed to start inside the court right there when they carry show. That is why I am just giving example of this IPOB. That is the indigenous people of Biafra or the Biafran people. Or you can call them the Southeasterners. If to say na one of them, when DSS come carry like that, when they don't see say na intimidation, court don't free the man, meet their big condition, meet everything. Those DSS when come that court, come carry Sowore that day, they no go leave that court. If to say na the IPOB member, the thing they happen to. Or IPOB members, or one of them, you know, one of the IPOB. If to say na one of them, ladies and gentlemen, in fact, that time when they take carry Nnamdi Kanu, when Operation Python dance, they take do what they do. If now, Funky D say, I not say he go therefore ever allow such a thing to happen at all. Now they go carry somebody one of the cause say now my leader when be the show or one of the claim say when everybody love when in the outside people they meet them, people they talk to them. That is why I say all these things now enviness they cause. So people go there home, they go say, I don't care. I don't care. You don't care. The Fulanis, then go deal with honor. You when be Yoruba person, when they watch Funky D. When they listen, I say the Fulanis, then go deal with honor by the time when Biafran people don't waka leave Nigeria. Already, they don't go. In fact, the Shakara, when the Nigerian government now, that they do now, APC people that they do, when they don't, in Nnamdi Kanu, again, don't invite them. For talk, for dialogue, for referendum, for everything. Now them, they run when be the Nigerian government. They don't see waiting big past them. That is why I don't tell them. I get one video when I make last time, when I can't talk about these people, this border now, where they don't open. All against the Southeasterners. So, but this time around, they're not agree again. Enough is enough. So, for you, when we say you clamor, say you want to do protest, I say, that very day when DSS come court, come do show what I waiting then do for inside court there. If na the indigenous people of Biafra, they're not going to allow Sowore come out there. They're not going to allow the man come out there. But because of the only Yoruba man, the only two people now when I see now in the Yoruba land now, when I see again after this Sowore, now the one when be his council, when be Femi Falana and Deji. Now only these two people. The rest now full of the highest order. Including Bola Tinubu, including Jagaban himself, including Osinbajo himself. All of una go suffer, una when be the Yoruba race or Yoruba people. Because not be today, we don't advise on us, amen. Make una leave these northerners. Make una leave these Fulani people. Make una leave these caliphate people. Una not hear word. Una say no. Now so we go to follow them. So make una begin to follow them. Now, Sowore dey inside there. No Yoruba man don't one day come out, stand behind the mic, tell Buhari waiting Buhari suppose here, or Jubri waiting Jubri suppose here, or Abba Kyari. All of them are just food on our hands. They talk, say, now the Sowore Matana, but I go make the video separately, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of things don't they happen again. Somebody where they don't bail. Now that they talk, say, they don't invite the Malani, they don't invite the DSS boss, one be the Buchi, make them come court. Come court to do what? Come court now to do what? The same way they can't explain the reason why Sowore still dead there. Now the same, the lawyer and the judges so, when in fact inside the same court, Federal High Court, where then don't free Sowore, now then still they invite these people. For what? You're not supposed to invite them. I be not supposed to give them order, say, leave this man for the last time, or you're not go that jail for real. So, the reason why they make this video, ladies and gentlemen, be say, Yoruba people are not too lazy. You know, they among people when they betray that nation. Check them out. Look at Osinbajo. Look at the Jagaban. Look at all of them when they talk, say them be the people when they claim say them be OPC and then OP this and OP that. Say them get bored. Look at Obasanjo. The Otoga people, I say, where on a day now? They carry on a brother. OPC people, I say, from Kidi, say, where on a day? They carry on a brother. The time when the Kabas, they talk, see, Osebanjo carry 90 billion. Before you know, you get some few of them when come out. Where on a day now today to come and speak for sure what? That is why we talk, say, we not they trust anybody when they inside APC or PDP. These people, they are evil. Before we go start to believe on her, first, we now go give us electricity. Stand by, 247 electricity. Before we go begin say, okay, make we just, electricity must today stand by. If that electricity not they stand by in Nigeria, any person when come and say, na president, na why you person. Or in one become now are your person. So ladies and gentlemen, I know say the 2023 will be another next level. Not this level one on day now. Another one if the APC them, which we know say they not feel last reach 2023. Because we know say Biafra is coming. We know say Biafra don't go. So therefore there will be nothing like 2023. So if that 2023 day, then it will be the Yoruba people and the Northerners when go they kill themselves for there. So if you like yourself as a Yoruba person today, I say make you stand up for your brother because tomorrow it might be your turn. If you like yourself, turn back from APC and PDP. Now only criminals when they get inside APC. Now only looters when they get inside APC and PDP. Liars. Manipulators. Propagandas. Now only them, they inside that APC and PDP. So if they believe in APC or PDP, once again, you are wasting your time. Again, Yoruba people from Kidisi, make una stand up. Make una stand up for una brother. Make una stop to the fear. If you fear today, you must to die. You not fear, you must to die. So therefore, it better make you stand up than dying like a coward. And at the name where they call Yoruba people, they be cowards. It's not just because see we want belittle Yoruba people. We go call them the thing when he be. Now so we go they call them. The way when he be, now so he be. Yoruba people, they are all cowards. But the only thing where the sabi do now to climb somebody's supermarket in the night where people they sleep, they will go cut your zinc, jump enter inside your supermarket, loot everything, run come out. If you talk, I mean as the owner of the supermarket, now juju they go to take the brag. Go use that your juju, go face Buhari. Go use that your juju, go take face people when they do you. Because you will not get the number 6 when is supposed to take the reason. You not there. You not there nowhere. Number 6 not there for my brain. Including the whole Nigerian people. Minus the southeastern people. The rest of Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen, they not get anything whether they take reason. That is why today from Kidisi, once again, they commend the southeasterners. I mean the Biafran. They are bold enough to stand up, even in face of intimidation, in face of oppression. Where army they carry what they carry. We not going to send them. How many army won't kill? Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, I don't tell you before, so you make a match in million. 1 million. Buhari government, all of them go sink, enter ground. Look at that protest when IPOB do recently now. Look at how many numbers they did. They never even go far like that. They never even reach like 500,000. Talk about 500,000 people stand up against this impunity and oppression when this government, they oppress Nigerian people. Talk about see them day 1 million or 2 million like that. March go Aso Rock. Not be marching to where this where they say they won't march go. These people when they make noise for inside hotel say they won't protest for sure. Right? Up to today we not this show now. Why Buhari government go say we are not this serious? Why they not go still continue to hold show? Right? Because all of them now when they there, not they serious, including the corrupt judges. Because they don't see on say nothing. That is why they still hold the guy. As DSS they carry show, all of them say no. Oh no, look, I say then go respect themselves. Because we no go allow the voice of SSS or the voice of army people or the voice of police people or the voice of Jubril government where they not reach how many to override the voice of the masses, to override the voice of 200 million Nigerian people. It's impossible. So if then they claim say now I put them there, they're supposed to respect the rule of law. They're supposed to respect honor. So make we stop to the do like say we not know wetin we did. Una know wetin una they do there. Una not want do protest because na show worry. Because una they jealous the man. Because una they envy the guy. That's just the point. Because if una they willing to do that protest, now that day when they carry show worry, morning and day and night till today una go the match until when they go release her. But when government go say una give them 14 days, they go say these people them be fully for people. We no go answer them. That's why I see today nothing they move. Yoruba people side do nothing. The people when they call themselves say then they AACO nothing. I'm not saying una not try, but una go try more. Make una stand up, make una come out in mass and support Sowore so that this man go come out. Now Christmas don't reach. We don't hear see they on 23 here. They won't go do what they won't do again inside court. Say they won't try. They won't bring Sowore again. Then do what they won't do with the SSS and make una leave Sowore, ladies and gentlemen. Una when be say now be the APC killers. Now the word when I get for now this morning be that. Thank you, everybody. If you know, say you never subscribe to Funky D, begin subscribe right now. Make we stop to the big cowards. Begin subscribe. You get. You never share my video. Share and scatter. And again, not forget to press that best sign when they so that anytime when I upload, you go first get my video. One love, everybody. Once again, I say I know they talk so not try you, but make una they try more. But for Yoruba people, make una stand up because by the time when the indigenous people of Biafra don't go, na problem when una go get. Una go battle serious battle with the Northern Caliphate. IPOB not send on a message. Indigenous people not send on a message, and the Southeasterners they not send on any message. One love, everybody, and take this one as your breakfast. And so the matter be Funky D.